Now coming to the next level, taking square roots, np dot square arr, np dot power arr, all these things are there. So you can take power error, everything raised to the power. So this is going to give a square root of all the numbers. So once you take a square root of all the numbers, these are coming as imaginary numbers: minus 3 square root, minus 2 square root, minus 1 square root. So n 0, square root of 0 is 0, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is 1.414, square root of 3 is 173. So that's fine. Square root of 9 is 3, square root of 4 is 2. So all this is fine. Then we are taking cube root. When we take cube root also, so cube root is also coming like a square root only. So cube root of negative number, minus 3 is coming as nan, minus 2 is coming as nan, minus 1 is coming as nan. So cube root of square root of negative number is coming as something as imaginary. Yes, cube root of a negative number is also imaginary. This is something fishy to me, because I believe that square root of minus 1 is I. That is fine. But a square root, cube root of minus 1 is not I, but it is something else, right? It is an odd number, right? Cube root of minus 1 is not I, something else. So it is not even imaginary number, direct imaginary number. We had some discussion with my friends who were from ISI, Indian Statistical Institute, and they said that cube root of minus 1 will have basically three roots. Like a square root of minus 1 will have two roots. One is uh, uh, one is I, and another one is also I. So two roots are, one is I and another is also I. When they both make a square, means I into I, it becomes equal to minus 1. So I square is equal to minus 1. But a square root, but cube root of minus 1, when we consider there are three roots. So basically three roots means one root is minus 1 itself. So one root is minus 1 itself, and other two roots are something which are another imaginary number which is not I, which is the square root of minus 1. So that imaginary is the square root of minus 1, but other two square roots of cube root of minus 1 is not even I, and I have not seen any academic things that is written over there on some imaginary numbers other than I. So when we read complex number, we talk only about I, but we have not get any reference of any other imaginary number other than I. So that needs explorations, I think, in mathematics. So we'll discuss sometimes if we'll have time. We can discuss and we can explain this thing in more details. What is cube root of minus 1? Okay. So this is my interesting subject of discussion I always used to have with people from a statistical background. Okay, I have given two things: connect at the rate analystprobot.in and another trustpilot.com, review analystprobot.com. If you find some time, you can get time to do some activity over there. Thank you.